Do you have a space that requires a change between heating and cooling during the day, season, or year? This used to be a challenge because conventional solutions only support a limited temperature range. Fabric Air has efficiently solved this challenge by combining two different flow models, air pressures, and air volume requirements in the same duct. We call it the Fabric Air VarioDuct. The ideal air dispersion system is designed for optimal performance in both cooling and heating conditions, regardless of the temperature range. The challenge is that cold air falls and hot air rises. Thus, the nozzle size required to deliver heated air comfortably in the occupied zone results in too high air velocities to deliver the cooled air comfortably. The challenge is pronounced in areas of the world where the differences between summer and winter conditions is significant. However, the principle also pertains to, for example, production facilities, where cooling is necessary when the production machinery is running, regardless of the outdoor season. The ideal solution, thus, has one flow model for heating and a different flow model for cooling. This is not possible when using conventional solutions, but the Fabric Air VarioDuct makes it possible. When using conventional air dispersion solutions, engineers typically address this challenge by optimizing the flow patterns for average conditions where the delta T is less extreme, or by using an expensive type of diffuser or nozzle that can be adjusted using costly electronics. By combining two air dispersion systems in one duct, the Fabric Air VarioDuct efficiently solves the challenge. It allows our engineers to combine the optimum airflow for heating as well as cooling in the same duct. The secret lies within. An internal membrane separates two independent flow models, one for cooling and one for heating. They work independently from each other, depending on the position of the damper. The upper section of the duct is tailored for cooling purposes. It has smaller perforations that enable a high air change at low velocity. The lower section is tailored for heating purposes. It has larger perforations, nozzles or jets, which accelerates the airflow, thus allowing the heated air to reach the occupied zone, despite heated air's natural tendency toward rising. The upper and lower sections can even be designed with their own unique static pressure and air volume to meet the specific requirements and comfort levels of the application. With the Fabric Air VarioDuct, there is no need to compromise between cooling and heating conditions. It's two solutions in one duct.